Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Crochet Art Work. Today we make mask connector, very easy to do. We use 4 mm crochet hook and any type of thread which you want. Make a magic ring and one chain and 10 single crochet into magic ring. Close the magic ring tight and slip stitch into first stitch, one chain and 2 single crochet in every stitch, total 20 single crochet, 2 single crochet into every stitch, and total we make total 20 stitch. Slip stitch into first stitch, one chain, one single crochet into same stitch, 3 chain for the gap for the hole, and second single crochet into second stitch, 8 more single crochet, one single crochet into each stitch, 3 chain, next single crochet into next stitch, and 6 more single crochet, slip stitch into first stitch, one more slip stitch into 3 stitch hole, 3 chain at the first double crochet and 4 more double crochet, total 5 double crochet into 3 chain stitch, 3 chain hole, 2 chain and 5 more double crochet into same hole. Turn the work, one chain and turn the work and slip stitch into first 5 double crochet and last slip stitch into hole, 2 chain hole and 3 chain and 3 more double crochet, 1 chain and 4 more double crochet, 1 chain and turn the work and slip stitch into first 4 double crochet and last slip stitch into hole, 1 chain, 3 chain, 2 more double crochet, total 3 double crochet, 1 chain, 3 more double crochet, turn the work, slip stitch into 2 stitch and last slip stitch into between 2 pair of crochet, double crochet and 3 chain and 3 more double crochet. This is the last stage of the work, one side of the work. This is the one side of the our mask connector. Cut the thread The opposite side is also to be made in the same way. We make three chain and 4 more double crochet. We make 5 double crochet, one group of 5 double crochet, two chain, one second group of 5 double crochet. Turn the work and slip a stitch into first group of 5 double crochet and last slip a stitch into 2 chain hole and 3 chain and first group of 4 double crochet, two chain and 4 more double crochet, turn the work and slip a stitch into first group of double crochet and last slip a stitch into 2 chain hole and 3 chain and 2 more double crochet, 1 chain, second group of 3 more double crochet. Turn the work, slip a stitch into 2 stitch and last slip a stitch into 1 chain hole and 3 chain, and 3 more double crochet, total 4 double crochet. This is the last stitch and cut the thread. Cut the every excess extra thread. Leftover thread will be used to attach the button. Attach the button on both sides and stuck the stone in the center part. Mouse connector is ready and this is very easy to do, which comforts our ear while wearing the mask. Hope you like it. If you like it, please like, subscribe, share and comments of love. Please share with your friends. Jazakallah, Allah ne ke